Hello guys, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are having a good time. It's weekend. I hope y'all are chilling, having fun. This is actually the BTC price prediction video y'all have been waiting for, and I'm about to drop you right now. Previously, BTC has been consolidating towards the upside and a little bit down, between the range of 30,000 to 28,500, and we haven't found a breakout yet. So possibly we may just get a breakout this weekend. And guess what? What direction are we heading to it? Are we going up? Are we coming down? So we're actually going to find out in this video right now. Stick with me to the very end. Don't go nowhere, guys. Cheers. Let's go. Yes, guys, so this is actually BTC BUSD pair, and we're on the 4-hour time frame right now. And you can see we have a triangle formed, and we've been consolidating for about 4 to 5 days now without a breakout. So it is as though BTC has been messing with us, right? I guess so. But sooner or later, we're going to find a breakout either to the upside or to the downside, anywhere this pattern breaks out from. This is a symmetrical triangle, by the way, and if we do break out to the downside, BTC may just be heading back to 24,000, 25,000, and if we actually do break out to the upside, BTC may just be breaking out and setting another target at 36,000 in the immediate short term. Let me put it that way. All right, so this is it for the BTC update, guys. For more details, send me a DM on my WhatsApp. The link is in the description of this video for mentorship and, of course, for signals. And don't forget, this week's episode on the BTC price prediction is duly sponsored by BitGet. All right, guys, I'll see you next in the next video. Cheers. I love you all so much. More updates coming up on indicators and trading strategies. Okay, I have loads and loads of information to dish out this coming week, but basically this is just the BTC price prediction. So watch out for this particular pattern right here on the 4-hour time frame rather, and of course it's the same thing on the 1-day time frame. You can see the same thing right here, the same pattern. All right, guys, I love you all so much. Cheers. Peace out. Don't forget to have fun this weekend. All right. Cheers. I love you all so much. Bye.